Welcome to Trend Cars, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. If you're passionate about cars, you're in the right place. Today, let's dive into the details of the 2025 Lincoln Corsair, a luxury SUV that's redefining elegance and performance. The 2025 Lincoln Corsair has received a stunning design refresh that combines sophistication with a modern edge. Its bold front grille, sleek LED headlamps, and refined body lines exude a commanding presence on the road. The SUV's aerodynamic design not only enhances its aesthetics, but also improves fuel efficiency, making it a perfect blend of style and practicality. Under the hood, the 2025 Corsair offers a choice of powertrains. The standard 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivers an impressive 250 horsepower, ensuring smooth and responsive acceleration. For those seeking an eco-friendly option, the plug-in hybrid variant combines a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors, offering a combined output of 266 horsepower and exceptional fuel economy. With Lincoln's advanced all-wheel drive system, the Corsair provides a confident and comfortable ride in all driving conditions. Inside, the Corsair truly shines with its luxurious and tech-savvy cabin. Premium materials like genuine leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum adorn the interior, creating an atmosphere of opulence. The available 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system features the latest Sync 4 interface, offering seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. The Corsair prioritizes passenger comfort with spacious seating, ample legroom, and an advanced noise-canceling system for a serene ride. The optional 24-way adjustable front seats with massage functionality take relaxation to the next level, while the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light. Safety is at the forefront of the 2025 Corsair. Lincoln Co-Pilot 362.0 comes standard, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Advanced options include a 360-degree camera system and active parking assist for added convenience and peace of mind. The 2025 Lincoln Corsair is a testament to Lincoln's dedication to luxury, innovation, and performance. Whether you're cruising through city streets or embarking on a weekend getaway, this SUV promises an experience like no other. If you're as excited about the 2025 Lincoln Corsair as we are, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Trend Cars, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and updates. See you in the next video.